Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to set a screen timeout on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click the subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, to set the screen timeout, you just have to open the settings first. This is the settings application that I'm in. I'm going to open it. And then here at the settings page, tap on this display options. And now you scroll it down again until you'll find here the screen timeout. You just have to tap on it and you will see here the options. The shortest duration is 15 seconds and the longest is 30 minutes. If you select, for example, here for the 5 minutes, the device will automatically turn off when the screen is on the device is inactive for 5 minutes. Similarly, if you select the other options for 10 minutes, for example, the same time setting will be decided. So here, if you will choose the 1 minute options, the device will automatically turn off at 1 minute if you don't use the screens, guys. To save it, you just have to close the page and it will save automatically. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your likes and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.